Who is that, Lily? Who is that? Is that Delina?
The puppy.
Did you put them all on the fridge? You need another magnet? Here. Here you go. There you go. Okay. You gonna get another one? Hurry up. Right here. Right over here. There you go. Here. Who is that?
He's fat.
That's Pat. Who's that?
He's Lena.
That's Delina. Who's that?
He's
Brandy. That's right. Who's that?
Didi.
That's right. Say hi.